Kittens are playful and curious, but sometimes their behavior can become aggressive. Whether they are biting, scratching, or attacking, it's important to address aggression early. Here are some simple steps to help stop aggression in kittens. Kittens may act aggressively due to fear, overstimulation, or frustration. If a kitten feels scared, it might lash out to protect itself. Sometimes, kittens get too excited during playtime and bite or scratch out of energy. Identifying the cause can help you respond better to their behavior. Kittens need lots of playtime to burn off their energy. A kitten that does not have enough things to do may become bored and start acting out aggressively. Set aside time each day for active play. This not only helps reduce aggression, but it also strengthens the bond between you and your kitten. Kittens need to learn how to interact with others, both humans and other animals. Gradually introduce your kitten to different people and pets in a calm and controlled way. Positive social experiences will help your kitten understand how to behave properly. Kittens need a quiet and safe place to retreat when they feel stressed or overwhelmed. Create a cozy area with soft bedding and ensure they have access to food, water, and a litter box. This space should be away from any loud noises or stressful interactions. A safe space can help your kitten feel more secure and reduce aggressive behavior caused by fear or anxiety. When your kitten starts to act aggressively, it's best to redirect their attention. Provide them with a toy to focus their energy on. The Cat Stages Purr Pillow Kitty Soothing Plush Cat Toy is a soft and cuddly toy that mimics a purring sound. It helps calm and comfort your kitten, making it perfect for relaxation. This toy is great for playtime and soothing your furry friend. If your kitten's aggression does not improve, or if it becomes more serious, consider seeking help from a vet or a professional cat behaviorist. Sometimes, aggression can be a sign of an underlying health issue or a behavioral problem that requires expert advice. By following these simple steps, you can help your kitten stop aggressive behavior and enjoy a peaceful relationship with your new pet.